Hello friends, happy December 3rd. I'm here to work on my December daily, the third day, for the third day of December. So yeah, yesterday I said I had an idea for today, and I want to tell you how this idea came about. I just started my Christmas shopping. I don't have a lot of Christmas shopping to do, but I need to get it done now. It's December, right? And I had ordered something, and then yesterday, yeah, well, actually, it was Tuesday. I went, did a little Christmas shopping, and on my lunch break from work. And I was thinking, I wonder, my little granddaughter was just born last November. So in last December, she was 1 month old. And now she's 1 year old. And I was like, what did I get her last year when she was 1 month old? You know what I mean? At first, I couldn't remember. Now I think I got her clothes now that I had a little while to think about it. But, she was 1 month old. She wasn't ready for toys. So, yeah, I think I got her clothes. But anyway, I don't know if I wrote it down in my December daily last year. And I was like, that I think I want to do that. I think I want to remember the gifts that I got people. So that's what today is about. I'm going to make myself a little place here in my December daily. We are right here. This is going to be my third day. And so I got a few bits and pieces out here to work with. I thought I would I've been covering my pages. Not that I have to. I just kind of like want to add some color and, a little decoration. So I took two scraps out of my, I just put all my like Christmas scraps together here in a little basket behind me, or my dresser that I have here in my craft room. These two were this shape exactly. I didn't even cut this at all. You can see it's almost not square or whatever, but I'm not going to cut it down. It's this pretty color on this side. So what I'm going to do is first of all, glue this down right here. That'll be a little background color there. I'm just going to use my art glitter glue here to glue this down, and I'll show you what I'm using for my little gift list here, so I can write down through the next couple of weeks until I finish my Christmas shopping what I got everyone. So next year, if I want to look back, I'll be able to know exactly where to look. It'll be all in one place, and remember what I got last year, not really so I don't get the, not that I'm going to get the same thing next year by mistake or anything. I just want to remember what I got. Like, what did I get my little granddaughter, my little 1-year-old granddaughter, on her 1 year, second Christmas, 1-year-old, when she's 1 year old, what did I get her? And why did I get that, type of thing. Okay, yeah, I want this red here. So I'm doing that, and then I have another scrap here I'm going to glue down here. This was a kind of like a collage scrap of wrapping paper, vintage wrapping paper that I received in Happy Mail, and a little scrap paper on a file folder. And I just want to add this right here to just cover this whole page. I'm going to cut it right about there. Maybe I'll just cut it with my scissors. I have my paper cutter here in case I need it, but I think I can cut a straight line there, and if I don't, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to glue this down, and we'll have that little strip of wrapping paper at the very bottom to add a little pretty vintage color. Let me get the edges here. So I want this nice and glued down. Get the edges. So yeah, this is going to be a quick video today. This was my idea. A gift list page. And this is a little booklet, and I'll show you what I did. I did that before the video, but it was easy. It's just a little booklet. So I was looking through my little, I have a lot of little papers and things here, stationery and things in my craft room, and I found this little box of memo paper. This I bought when would you believe my son, my youngest son, graduated, I want to say about 6 years ago. And I bought this when he was in high school, like in 9th grade or something. It might have been even middle school, from one of those, they send those fundraisers home, and you buy little gifts and things. I bought this from one of those when my son was in high school. And look, I thought, once in a while I had to write a note to the teacher. That's why I bought this. I thought this would be nice to write a little note to the teacher, but I guess I didn't write too many notes to the teacher because I have all of this. This is how many notes are in here. I think I wrote probably one note to the teacher or something, but yeah, so I found these when I was looking for something, and they fit perfectly under this. See, under this piece of scrap paper here. So, you know, it's the same paper I had here, but the other side. So what I did was I just folded it over on the top here, took some of those little note papers, as many as I wanted. I have about, what, 6 or 7 or 8 here. And I just sewed them down. So you could, if you want to make one of these, this is so simple, but you could just staple it if you wanted. You don't have to sew it. But there's several sheets, so you have to have something to go through all the layers. And then I'm just going to glue it right here. I'm going to glue right here and put it down right, maybe about in the middle. Something like that. And I might just use some Fabri-Tac on here, just because I'm going to be like lifting this up and, you know, kind of tugging at it. And I think the art glitter glue might be okay, but I just would rather have a little bit, like, I think this is like this, like, art glitter glue is super strong, but this is even, I think, I don't know, I think this, I consider this a little bit stronger for things you're going to be pulling, pushing on, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put some glue on here and glue this part down on that page. And then I have a couple things to decorate. Let me just get a bunch on here. So yeah, I kind of put enough pages in here to dedicate one page to each person I'm getting a gift for, to write down what I got them, because I get each of my family members, I fill up a stocking, a Christmas stocking for them. So, you know, that's several things. So I want to be able to list everything I got them, maybe why I got it for them, what was my thoughts behind it, was it their favorite. Like one thing I got somebody was some Friends, you know, the show Friends. They like Friends, and I found some Friends socks, like a whole set of Friends socks. I was like, oh, that is so perfect. It's like, you know, the only Friends thing that I've seen in stores. So I grabbed them. So I want to be able to write down, like, oh, this person loves Friends. That's why I got these Friends socks. You know what I mean? So here's my little note papers. Isn't it pretty already? See, this is the back right here that we glued down first. So I didn't need a back on my little paper here. I just needed a front. Here's my little note papers. And I can write on the backs of these too. So I really have plenty of room here. And then I have my little front piece. And then what I pulled out to put on the front here, this was a card. You know, I showed you, was it last night, the card. See, these cards like this right here that my mom sent me. And I found one that had this little, it's like the Grinch or Dr. Seuss little character here holding a wreath. So I cut it out of the, it was the front of a card. I cut it out. I'm going to put it right here as a decoration. It's got the red and green, and so it matches all the colors here. And I thought this would be good to use in my journal because I really think it's cute. And I don't know if I would ever put it in a journal that I make, you know what I mean? They're more like vintagey and stuff like that. So I don't know if Dr. Seuss, oh, come back here. I don't know if Dr. Seuss really goes in a journal like that, but I mean, it can. It's fun, right? It's a fun thing. But yeah, I'm just putting some Fabri-Tac on here too. Get this all nice and glued down. So that's my first decoration on this little note, gift note pad here. And then I want to put something up here too. So let me get this all pushed down here so it can dry. And little feet pushed down. I did put glue on them, but let me see. Did I put enough on there? Yeah, that should be all right. All right. Okay, he's glued down. Isn't he cute? So then I pulled out several things. I thought I put some words up here. I looked for like gifts, the word gifts or something like that, and I couldn't find it, but I found this Merry Christmas. So I'd have to cut like right here and put that there, or I see I haven't decided yet. I have these stickers and this ho 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 right here. That would be cute. right there, and it would fit nicely. And I also found these stickers. They're gold. That I don't think would show up enough, because I found this first. I was like, oh, that would be cute, the gold, or jolly. Oh, the jolly would show up, but not as much as those, I don't think. And those are red and green, so that would probably go better. So I'm going to say no on that now. Got a scrap here. I think I like, this would show up nicely. Oh, it really would. But I think I really like this ho ho ho. I think that's my favorite. So let's do that. Let's do that. I'm going with my favorite here. I'm going to put extra glue on here. Some Fabri-Tac again. It's like a puff, almost like a puffy sticker. If you've seen these, I probably got those at Dollar Tree, I would think. I mean, I haven't bought stickers anywhere else, so I must have gotten this at Dollar Tree, but not this year. I didn't get them this year. I must, because I don't remember seeing Christmas stickers at Dollar Tree this year, but I must have got them a year or so ago. So let's put this right here, and it matches nicely with the greens, right? Red and greens here on this page. So isn't that cute? So I think that is going to be it for this page. So I'll come here and do some writing later after the video, and because I've already bought a few things, and then I'll be able to look back on that when I want to. I was going to show you these. I got these at Dollar Tree tonight in case you haven't seen them. They are called gift tags, but they kind of look like bookmarks, don't they? They say to from right here. You can let me see. Can you see through? Is the glare okay? I think you can see okay. They're gold lettering. Mary, joy, peace, and home. It says 18 pieces, but I believe it's 9. So, well, no, that wouldn't be right. If there's 4, maybe it's 12. 12 of these pieces here, and then they have some. I think they're probably counting. I guess we could open them, huh? I mean, I plan on using maybe one at least in my journal here, and then I'll have them for my stash. But let's just see how many are in each little 3 separate little sleeves here. I just hadn't seen anybody else show these, so I thought when I saw them, I was like, what are those? They look like bookmarks. And I picked them up, and it said gift tags, and I'm like, well, how many? Because it looked like there's only 4 in here. I was like, how many are in there? Only 4 for $1? You know, that doesn't seem right. And then I saw it said 18 pieces. So let's see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. There must be 16 of, I mean, I assume. I'm not going to take them all out, but 16. They're white on the back. But I thought these would be cute to glue down somewhere as a decoration, wouldn't they? Or you could use them as a bookmark. You could write on the back. They've got these little gold strings. You could always take those off if you don't like those, but they do go with the whole look of the gold lettering and everything. So I just thought those were really cute. This green plaid, solid green, red plaid, and solid red with the gold lettering. So I just thought those were super cute. So I went in to get a birthday card at Dollar Tree on my way home, and I found these, and I wanted to show you real quick. But that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my idea for today. And just stay tuned for tomorrow, and we'll see what we do here. I would like to start, because I have, like I said, 56 pages in here. If I don't start doing some 2-page spreads, I'm going to have enough for next year, just about too. So anyway, I'll see y'all next time. I hope you have a great day, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.